Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we took a ride to Jakonde area to check out the rail construction on the project, which was the Lagos to Calabar 700-kilometer train and road construction. It was said that the rail track is going to start around Jakonde area, so I came here to check the construction and development of this rail project. And when I got here, to my greatest surprise, there was nothing really happening here. This is just a piece of land which is empty and has become a playground for the people living around here. During the construction of this Lagos to Calabar, when it was first launched, a lot of demolition was done on this area, which led to hundreds of people being homeless. And this construction started last year and has entered into a new year, but still yet we haven't seen the rail tracks. You might be wondering, the road hasn't been done yet, so why are the viewers in rush to see the rail construction? Anyways, I'm making this video to create an awareness, because even if the rail tracks are not yet being constructed, definitely the rail station or terminal should have commenced construction, or better still, definitely they should have mapped out where the construction is gonna start. I'll take you around the Jakonde area to show you what is going on, how homeless people are turning the area to a nothing or something else you might not understand. Once again, my name is Emmanuel Bernard. Please watch this video to the ending to discover a lot more. So as you can see, this is the Jakonde area of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Road, and this is how it currently looks. There is nothing going on, and it's gradually becoming a playground for everyone, because you could see youth at the back. They are actually playing football on the road. Maybe that's because today they are not doing anything. All I see is vehicles, commercial or people vehicle moving around this road. We were told that during the construction that the train construction begins at Jakonde, and this is Jakonde, and I'm not seeing any sign of a rail or anything, and that is why I'm making the video today. Not because I want to show you the construction update, but I'm just making this video to let you guys know that there's no rail construction currently going on at the Jakonde area. So maybe there was another plan for that, or maybe the rail or the train the construction hasn't been started actually. But as you can see, even the concrete reinforcement has not been done. This is raw ground, and this is probably sand filling that was just done here and also pressed down, but nothing else has been done in this area. So right there is a road that linked the coastal road to the Jakonde Express, and you see vehicles coming out from there, and they are riding on the coastal road straight. And this is how the Jakonde currently looks. These are developing estates. So let me go closer to the construction, this thing, so you can see. So obviously, I don't know if it's safe to say the train or the rail construction is not being started yet, or won't be done at Jakonde area. So permit me to say, or rather just drop it on the comment section if you think it's definitely gonna be done, because all I could see here are just two tracks, the one I'm working on and the other one right there, which has not been casted actually, but it has been mapped out for casting, as you can see, and granite has been poured on it. And behind, you could see a new community is coming up there already. That's what we spoke about in this channel. When you chase people out of their habitats where they stay, and you didn't provide another option for them, they tend to come back to another place, or even return back to where they were chased, and this time around coming back in a bigger form. And it's actually not a good thing, because this is a construction site. Accidents are very easy to happen, and cars, heavy duty stuffs, and also things might be falling. So people are not expected to live around the construction site, but it is what it is, as you can see.
Something no good. Baby olírun lánàá. Obìnrin tó bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ tẹ̀lé ìjọ ọlọ́run.
Yeah. Yeah.